Is your hair so dry it crunches louder than a bag of chips? Don't worry, your strands are about to go from desert to dessert with these top 10 deep conditioning masks. Let's dive into the silky solutions your hair has been begging for. Avocado and honey mask. Mash avocado and mix with honey for a deeply hydrating mask. Apply for 20 minutes to nourish and restore moisture to dry winter hair. Honey and yogurt mask. Combine honey and yogurt to restore softness and moisture. This mask hydrates the scalp, preventing dandruff while leaving hair soft and healthy. Coconut oil and yogurt mask. Blend coconut oil and yogurt for a moisturizing hair treatment. It smooths frizz, reduces breakage, and boosts shine for healthy, manageable hair. Egg and aloe vera mask. Mix an egg with aloe vera gel to nourish the scalp and hair. This mask promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff, and adds shine. Banana and olive mask. Mash a ripe banana with olive oil to strengthen and hydrate hair. This mask helps repair split ends and restores shine. Shea butter and almond oil mask. Melt shea butter and mix it with almond oil for a rich moisturizing mask. It strengthens hair, reduces breakage, and enhances shine. Olive oil and honey mask. Combine olive oil and honey to lock in moisture. This deep conditioning mask soothes the scalp, prevents dryness, and adds luster to your hair. Coconut milk and honey mask. Combine coconut milk with honey for a deeply hydrating mask. It nourishes dry strands and boosts softness, making hair more manageable. Yogurt and lemon mask. Mix yogurt with lemon juice to remove buildup and add shine. It also helps control oil, reducing greasy hair during winter. If you like this video, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deliciously healthy tips.